My name's Annie, I'm from Melbourne, Australia, and I'm headed to the University of Chicago this fall. I'm planning on majoring in economics. I chose the University of Chicago because of its core curriculum and also because for me, I'm passionate about economics, and I remember just like sitting in economics class at school and we were hearing about the Chicago School of Economics. So that's when I knew about the University of Chicago's amazing economics department, and I knew that I wanted to be a part of that university. When I was accepted into UChicago, it was like the best experience ever. I had just like landed, touched down off the plane, and I remember just like sitting on the plane, like checking the application status portal, and like when I got in, I had a mini like freak out on the plane, and everyone was staring at me, but it was just like an amazing, like very memorable experience. The thing I'm most looking forward to about studying at UChicago will probably be the student clubs. So at UChicago, there's a wide range of clubs that you can join. What I also really like about the US college system is that everyone lives on campus, so there's a very collaborative and cohesive kind of student body, because you see each other like every day, you have a roommate and everything, which I find is like, it's a big plus for me, yeah. Beyond academics, I'm really passionate about organising events. So for me, one of the most important activities that I did during high school was organising a TEDx event. So what that involved was finding and contacting guest speakers, leading a team of like volunteers to help organise the event, and finding like decorations and lighting, that sort of thing. So I signed up with Crimson in the summer before year 12. They really supported me in the application process by basically just letting me know about all the wide variety of things that I needed to have done, and to help me with like balancing my time. The US application process is very complex, so there's a lot of things that you have to do, like the SATs, the SAT subject tests, balancing your extracurriculars and writing the essays. I think one of the most important things that Crimson helped me do was definitely in terms of my extracurriculars. So for the Common app, you basically list 10 activities, and Crimson really helped me to kind of choose which activities were the most important and which ones I should put at the top of my list. So that was definitely a very helpful thing in terms of just like polishing through my application and really making it appeal to an admission officer. My tip for a student that wants to apply for the US will probably be to just really try to hone in on your passions, like focus on what makes you unique, and just try to really highlight that in your application process.